Evening all, Remarks here, back again with another video, back again with another Oculus Go accessory video. Now, you probably remember a few weeks back I did a big unboxing of loads of Oculus Go accessories, and they all came from a guy called Easton on Facebook. He develops these in China, he sent me a load of things, and he's now come out with a few new things. So this is one of the first ones I've got, a new face foam for the Oculus Go, which is designed to be used with glasses. So it has a little sort of cutout to make wearing glasses even more comfortable within VR. So Oculus Go PU leather, cotton and cover and cotton bottom, pad replacement version inside. So not much else on the case, a picture on the back, a few sort of different angles, but we'll crack this bad boy open and show you what it's like. So I do use on my sort of day-to-day Oculus Go the VR cover, cover, and I'll show you that in a minute. But it's the Oculus Go version. So here you go. So on my actual Oculus Go, I do use the VR cover for the Oculus Go. So the padding behind it is the Oculus Go padding, but what I do use is the Samsung Odyssey sort of velour cover. So it's nice and soft and fluffy. And I do like that. I do like that. It is nice. So on my sort of day-to-day Oculus Go, I use that. But I know a lot of you guys wear glasses. I don't wear glasses personally. I've got some pretty good eyes. But I know a lot of you guys do as well. So what do we get in here? We get a warranty card, extended warranty, get some discounts. We have some eye stickers. Maybe we'll stick one of those on my headset in a second. And here you go. Here's the foam. So you get the, similar to the VR cover that you get with the VR cover Oculus Go, you get this kind of removable sort of out piece. And it's kind of, I don't know where my actual sort of VR cover PU leather type one is, but this bit is got a little bit more structure to it. So there's a bit more sort of, I don't know whether that's just cardboard or plastic in it, so it doesn't bend as much, keeps its shape a little bit nicer. But as you can see, the key for this one is it's got this little cutout here to allow you to wear glasses while you've got a VR headset on. So what you do, you put this bit in your headset. So here we go with the Oculus Go with the default cover. So to take this off, all you do is pull out these little rings. Just sort of get your finger underneath and sort of gently pop them out. And then this should just kind of pop out. Then what you need to do is just literally kind of bring this over. Make sure the little bit around the sensor is tucked in, so tuck it around. Then make sure this kind of doesn't cover the lenses. Don't need to kind of do too much. And then just pop these back in again. So it should just go click back in. So push down, click. And then on the other side, just click them back into place. It kind of pops back in. Be careful when you're applying pressure, because I know a few people have broken their lens rings. And there you go. So there's the kind of cover on it there. And then all you do is grab the PU leather bit and it sticks on with Velcro. The nice thing about these sort of things, these PU leather things, is they're actually a bit wipeable. So you can kind of wipe them with cloths and all sorts of other stuff. I've got a long hair there. To kind of keep them clean, where you can't really do with the kind of the more foamy ones or the one that I've got, the Samsung one. So that's quite nice. So it gives you a bit of space. I mean, I don't wear glasses, but I do have some 3D glasses here, and you can kind of see now the glasses kind of fit in to that space there. So they're almost making an extra little bit of room, so the glasses kind of come through nice and clean without sort of pushing against the side, so you don't have any sort of extra glasses pressure on the side of your head, whereas I guess the default foam probably does. I mean, I don't wear glasses, so you guys will have to let me know whether that makes a big difference for you. But that is nice. It's nicely secure in there. There's nothing wrong with that. Well, I'll do a little head test with some glasses on. So let me put these glasses on normally, and then I'll put the headset on over the top and tell you how it feels. And yeah, I mean, that works quite well. I guess these are 3D glasses, so they're not going to fit as comfortably as probably normal glasses, because they do have a bit more of a sort of curve to them. As you can kind of see, they kind of curve in, which normal glasses don't tend to. They tend to be quite sort of level, don't they, for the most part. But yeah, that works quite well. So let me know in the comments down below if that's the sort of thing you're into and you would make use of. This other cover here is the other one that ASVR do, so the same company behind this. AMVR, sorry. This is kind of the same. This is almost a replacement for the default one. So as you can kind of see, it's a little bit sort of more puffy and sort of, which to be fair, I usually keep this one on this version of my Go, so not my sort of day-to-day channel one, this one. I usually keep it on my sort of extra one that I use for business, and I might keep this one on, to be fair, or I might swap it over onto the onto my day-to-day one, just to kind of give it a proper run and proper test. But yeah, it looks okay so far. So you can kind of see the difference in the padding on these ones. Should we grab the padding out this one so we can have a little comparison? So here's all three. So here we've got the official one on this side, and you can kind of see this is the other AMVR one, which you can get. I put the prices for these up on the screen so you can have a little look. I think this one's probably about $30, I think, at the moment. I don't think it's available on all Amazon sites, but I'll leave a link to probably the American one just so you can have a little look. But kind of compare the official one and this one. There's a little bit more, I don't know, there's a little bit more, I don't think there's any more sort of depth to it, but it's definitely a bit more structured. This one's a lot sort of squashier. This one's just a little bit stiffer, which I think with glasses will probably help quite a lot. So, and it seems to be very well made. If I kind of look closer, the stitching and all the bits where it's kind of glued together, the Velcro seems quite nice, nicely put in. So I know some of the issues people have had with maybe some of the VR ones is the Velcro comes off, but that's quite nice on there. And it looks quite nice. It's nice to have all black as well. So especially for me with this headset that's actually all black because I've got the sticker on it, it works quite well. You do get a little guide, little sort of instruction leaflet on how to kind of apply it. But it's simple. Just take your time. Don't break your lenses. Don't break your lens rings because that'll be a bit annoying if you do. You do get some eye stickers as a little bonus. Let's have a little look, see which ones we get. Because I got all sorts before, animal stickers and people eyes and all sorts. So we get two here, so we get a pair of blue eyes and a pair of brown eyes. Let's quickly stick one of these on, shall we? So I think what you do is you take this small part off, and then you place that on. And it's a transparent sticker, so you can kind of get away with not doing it absolutely cushy perfect. And there we go. And then we just pull this across here. And now our Oculus Go, I've got some bubbles in it, but I'm sure I can get those bubbles out with a little bit of pressing. There we go, we've got some cool eyes. So people can see your eyes while you're in VR. I'm sure I could get those bubbles out there. Look, it easily comes up to press back down again. I did it a bit quick. There we go, bubble free. Now the other side have bubbles. Well, but whatever, you get the idea. I'm sure if you took your time and did it, you'd get it on perfectly. No issues there. So that's kind of nice to get those for free. But let me know in the comments down below, what sort of headset cover have you got? Have you upgraded yours? Have you just got the default one and you've not thought about upgrading it? Let me know in the comments down below. It's nice to have some options, and it's nice that AMVR are producing some covers. I do like the VR covers. So as I say, this one on my main one here is the VR cover one, with the VR cover, Oculus Go cover in the middle, and then I got given the extra sort of Samsung one, so it is a little bit pricey. I think all in that would be about $60 to get all those bits, but this is like $30 for this improvement with the glasses spacer. So I think if you've got glasses, that's an interesting option to get. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up. If not, give it a thumbs down. That's fine. I'm big enough and ugly enough to take it. But do let me know in the comments down below why you didn't like it. I'll try and do better for next time. Become one of the Remarkables. Hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to be notified when I next upload a video. And that's me done. I'm out. Have a virtual high five.